Joe Beer Master here. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Solara. I'm going to show you how to get this tail light out to replace it or to change a bulb. These look like LED here, and there is a bulb in there. So what we want to do is open the trunk and look inside here, get a little light. We have to remove this trim here because there's going to be bolts holding that plate in. You can see one in there, right in there. So we're going to get this trim off. We're going to get this off here. It looks like a hex head or Torx head. There's some pushing clips, so we want to get this trim out to access that, and then we're going to show you how to get it out from there. Looks like it's actually a Phillips head, so we'll try that first. If not, it looks like about an 8 or 7 millimeter. Probably an 8 millimeter nut would work too. Alright, once I get the nut out, just pull on it. We're going to access that there. Pull that out. And there you can see there's the bolts. Let's see what size it is. Let's go over to our tools. Get an 8 out, try that first. Could be a 9. Could be a 10, actually. I'm looking at that. Let's see if we got a 10 handy here. There's a 10. And you might have to use a, yes, it's a 10, believe it or not. You may have to use a deep 10. This is a short one. This being convertible, a lot of moisture gets in the trunk, so these bolts got a little rusted. You can see that. These convertibles are nice, but they get that moisture in it, which is always an issue with convertibles after a couple years. So I would recommend using a deep 10. Not the short one, but I'm barely getting it on. We're going to take all 3 out. Then I'm going to see what it takes to get the light out once that's out, because usually clips over on the side that hold it in. And you have to wiggle and pull at it. Put a deep 10 on there. See, that fits much better. Much, much better. Alright, I got all 3 bolts off, and now we're going to see how to get this light out. Basically try to grab it somewhere and see if it loosens up. If not, I just tap on these real light with a hammer. Try to push it out, get it moving. You can see there is a clip back in there. So that means, that indicates there's a clip, and it's going to have to be pulled outward a little bit. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and just kind of work it slow.